Let's go to the garden to check what we can harvest today. That is a swallow butterfly. Look how big. Come back, come back. Oh, he went to the other side. Oh, it's back. Look at the pear tree. Look at those fruits. Let's check what we can harvest today. I see some squash again. You see the squash? Oh, I see a lot of squash actually. Look at that. There's one here, and there, and over there, and there are like some squash blossoms too. I'll probably... So these are the squash blossoms. I'll probably cook this. Can make omelette out of this. And then I see, oh, this one is very ripe. The bitter melon is very ripe now. I'll try to make this into salad. I think it's too ripe. So I'll get this, and I'll get the other one too before that one turns to yellow too. So it's not too heavy on the lemon too. This is actually a lemon tree, and there is one. Oh, there's one more here too. Look at that. This is a lemon tree, as you can see. There are lemons there, like here. And this bitter melon is just a volunteer. It grew from here. I need to provide this with a trellis. And see, there's another fruit here. I need to move on this here too. I need to move this on a trellis. And then let's check the eggplant. So we have two bitter melons, a monarch butterfly. Look at that. I don't know if you could see it. There you go. Is that a monarch butterfly? I'm not sure. Maybe it's not. Oh, I think it's a painted lady, but a bigger painted lady. I'm not sure, but it's a very pretty butterfly. Okay, let's continue with our eggplant. Look at this. It's ready. And there's one more here. I think this is still very young. Maybe for next time. But I'll harvest this one. This is probably ready too. This one. Here's my harvest so far. I think this is ready. And the squash blossoms too. Let's get this. And then there's like squash blossoms. Let's look for more squash blossoms that we can make make into omelette. Our harvest so far are two squash here. I'll get this one. Oops. More like squash blossoms. So let's harvest some of these tomatoes. This is Snow White Ivory. This other one is indigo kumquat. So this is, look, this is a late summer harvest. This is early girl. Volunteer tomato. And then here We have, I can't remember this anymore. Some calamansi. They are turning yellow. Only the ones that are ready. The ones that are turning yellow. Oh, they smell so good. There's more up there. Oh, this one is big. Look at this. And there's more there. Okay. 1 second. I think that's a June bug. It's already September, June bug. Time to hibernate. I still like tomato flowers. Look at this. Where else? Here. This one is big. Oh, I have a lot on my... I need to upload. I need to upload this. I cannot pick anymore. Here you go. Here are the tomatoes. We still have a lot of the shishito peppers for later. I'm going to harvest this for later. I'm going to prepare a charcuterie for dinner, and I'm going to use some of this like peppers, like shishito peppers. It's not typical like charcuterie, but you can always customize it according to what you like. So here, and then yeah, there are a lot more to harvest later. Harvest some pear too for the charcuterie. Look at those pear. I don't know if you can see. There are more up there and here too. And then down here. Here. There are like 3 pears here. So cute. I think this one is ready too. I don't want it to turn into yellow again, so I'll just harvest this. I think they just don't grow like that big. And here, when you take care of them, they don't grow that well, but when you just like let them loose, go wild, they grow better, I think. Look at this. It's here now. The squash is now climbing on the trellis for the bitter melon. So I'm going to harvest this. We have bell pepper here, and then more here. But we have more over there too. I think that one is bigger. Oh, and the basil. Look at the basil. This is from, actually this is from last year. Yeah, so you can turn basil here too. Perennial. So I'm going to cook the squash and then the basil, like sort of squash basil omelette for a quick breakfast. And then the bell pepper. Those are the bell pepper. I think I can harvest one. One is ready. At the basil, another one that smells so good. And then the bell pepper. Let me put this on the stash first on our basket. So we have the basil here. Let's harvest this like pepper, bell pepper. green bell pepper. Harvest the other one too. I think this is ready. There you go. The bell pepper. Let's put this here. And my colorful garden harvest. My harvest from our small urban edible backyard garden. Yellow squash, bell pepper, eggplant, bitter melon, squash blossoms, basil, calamansi, and tomatoes. These are the herbs that I picked from the garden: fennel, basil, rosemary, oregano, and lavender. I'm going to transfer them onto these small vases and then put them on the bed, on the table by the bed next to me, so I could smell them in the morning. So let's start with this one. So this is lavender. Maybe I'll put the lavender here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.